Hey guys, it's Ariana Janae. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't seen you guys in a hot minute. I haven't seen you guys since last year. I'm really bad at jokes. I'm so sorry. First thing I'd like to say is I hope you guys had a happy holidays, and if you don't celebrate during the holidays, then that's cool too. I hope you are doing well. Happy New Year, everyone. It is 2018, and I hope you guys are having a good one so far, and I'm wishing you guys so much love and luck this year and for good things to come. 2017 was an amazing year for me. I did so many cool things. I went to so many cool places. My channel has grown so much over the last year, so thank you so much. I can't even speak. Thank you so much to everyone who has supported me over the last year and my Ariana Janae era. We reached 100 subscribers at the beginning of last year, and we just recently hit 200 subscribers, and we are so close to 300 subscribers already. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. We hit, I think, 11,000 views on my first video of the Ariana Janae era, which is so amazing. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It means the world. And my Brandy Melville video has grown so much over the last month-ish. So thank you guys for that. You guys have heard me speak and rant about how so thankful I am on Twitter. If you've been wondering where I've been for the last month, obviously you guys know the holidays happened, so I decided to take a break. And I also had surgery. I've mentioned it in a few of my videos. I am a cheerleader, so I tore my ACL a few months ago at practice, and I got surgery the day after the last video that I uploaded, so that's why I've been gone for a while. It's hard to tell that I was even injured in any of the previous videos before that one, but yeah, I was injured for a good 2 months and then I got surgery. So I'm going to stop rambling. For today's video, I have something so exciting and so fun. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my Kelsey Simone giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to title this video yet, but I'm going to be unboxing my package from her. And I'm so duper excited because I love Kelsey. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers, and she's so sweet, and her content inspires me daily, and she has such a beautiful personality, and she's so gorgeous on the inside and the outside. So before I really start this video, thank you so much, Kelsey. I'm so excited to open this, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
You bring me home.
So I haven't opened this yet, and I got it a few days ago, but I've been waiting to film this video for you guys, so I'm gonna open it. This is like literally going to be like not first impressions, but like since I haven't opened it yet, you guys are gonna see my reactions. Even though I know what's already in here, like I'm still, okay, why didn't I know how to do this? I'm still super excited. I like how I didn't know how to use scissors for a hot minute. Like, I'm gonna hurt myself. I'm pretty sure I already did. Yeah, I just hurt myself. Don't play with scissors, children. It's not safe. Don't recommend. I really just cut myself. Wow. And I have nails on, so I'm like low-key struggling. I'm just gonna like slice it, like cut it, because I don't need to get cut again. I'll be a crybaby, and then I'm not gonna finish this video. And I've already been trying to film this video for like about at least 2 hours already. I'm trying to use my big girl muscles. My scissors don't want to cut. Oh, there we go. Yay! Okay, this is so cute. I'm already crying. Okay, wait. I'm just trying to open it. You know what? I'm just gonna cut this. There we go. After struggling for a solid 5 minutes, I finally got it open. So this is what it looks like on the inside. That's so cute, the little gold ribbon thingy. This is the card, I'm assuming, on top. You know, oh my god, my finger's bleeding. It's okay, I'll man up. I don't want to get a band-aid and like I'm almost done, so I got it on the card. I'm so stupid. Okay, so this is a little card she put. It says happy holidays, and it's like gold. That is so cute. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna read it. It says, to Ariana from KELSEY Simone. Merry Christmas, Ariana. Thank you for being a supporter. I hope you enjoy all the gifts. Have a blessed and wonderful day. And then she put a Bible verse right there. I'm just gonna put this on the side. My finger is really hurting. I really hurt myself. Okay. So I'm just gonna, you know, just open it. I know it's already in here, but I decided to show you guys, and I want to make a video out of it because I was so excited. So just gonna, there's bubble wrap, very obviously. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick out things that I see first. First thing that I see is this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. And this is super cool because I've never used dry shampoo, but I feel like my hair needs it, you know, because it's not good to wash your hair every day. And I'm super excited to use this, so thank you so much, KELSEY. The next thing that I see are these MAC lashes. They look like this. I don't know if you guys can see them, the glitter. But they have glitter on like the lash band, which is so cute. I don't know if this is the name of them, but it says A67 on top. So I don't know how MAC lashes work, but if that helps any, it says A67 on the back. So the next thing that I see is the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray Oil Control, which is super dope because I have oily skin and I need a new setting spray. So this is super cool. Again, thank you so much, KELSEY. I'm so grateful for everything that you sent me. The next thing is this Dewy Tree Health and Beauty Whitening Deep Mask with green sides. I don't know. It's just a face mask. And then there's another face mask in here that is a gold metallic foil sheet mask, which I'm really excited to try because like I've always wanted to try a gold mask, so this is super dope. The next thing that I see in here is a Nourishing Bio Cellulose mask, and the packaging is so cute. On this one, it has like a little T on it, and I'm so excited to try these. I love skincare, so like the fact that this giveaway had a bunch of skincare stuff in it was like so cool. The next thing that I see is, oh, I think I know what this is and why it's wrapped in bubble wrap. Whoa. It's all the makeup. I'll start with these. This is what I grabbed first. These are the Laura Mercier Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks. She gave me 4 of them. I have the shade Vibe, Rock, Ruthless, and Fresh. I'll swatch them right now for you guys. Oh, they're super cool. So it's like this like crayon looking thing. I'm so bad at doing videos. I feel so out of my zone because like I haven't, okay, that's so creamy. I feel so out of my zone because I haven't filmed in like forever, and like I'm also so excited, so like you guys are getting my genuine like reaction. I need to remember what order I'm doing them in. These are the swatches. I don't know if you can see them. I'm a bad beauty guru. The one on top is Rock, the one after that is Vibe, the third one is Ruthless, and the last one is Fresh. And they're all super pretty shades. I really, really love the second one because it looks like a nudie pink. And those are my favorite. I'm so excited to try those. And then KELSEY also gave me the Naked Smoky palette, which I'm, again, like about everything, super excited to try because I don't have a naked palette. So this is really cool. Thank you so much. And the last thing that I see in the foam, is the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. And this is so cool because I wanted to try this. Summer McKean, one of my other favorite YouTubers, I think she uses this too. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, whoa, the glare is like everywhere. But here, this is what it looks like. super pretty. I'll also show you guys what the Naked Smoky palette looks like so you guys can see. Whoa! So this is what the packaging looks like. Sorry I'm looking in the not at the camera. It's just like I want to make sure everything's there. And then here is what the palette looks like. This is so cute. She put this little like tag on here. It kind of fell. She put, these are the silk pillowcases. They are amazing. I hope you love them. Which I'm very excited to try because she said, and what I've seen from other people, that silk pillowcases are really good for your skin and your hair. And I'm the type of person where I just think that everything makes me break out. So I'm super excited for these. I don't want to get them dirty. Oh, and here they are. I don't want to get them dirty, so I'm going to put them back. But I'm glad that they're white because as you can see, I have a fully white bed. So that's pretty cool. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow all my social medias. They'll be linked down below. Once again, thank you so much, Kelsey. You inspire me daily. And again, I'm so grateful for everything. So thank you. Love you so much. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.
No, when we started, just two hearts in one home. It gets harder when we argue. We're both stubborn, I know. But oh,